Alright, what is up, gents? Welcome back to the show. It is your boy Lex Money. In today's video, regardless of the title, I'm here to give you all some reassurance. Now guys, there is a lot of fear in the market right now based on what's going on globally. I don't need to say it because you already know what is going on, but I made a video 7 months ago, probably near to the day, regarding Bitcoin / crypto and the correlation with war FUD. Now, at the time, guys, we were in a super fearful event. It was the whole WW3 part 5, okay? And in this video, I was looking at, risky assets, Bitcoin and stocks, and what happens usually after there's a big narrative headline. And when we look at when I did post that last video, Bitcoin was at 68k. Right, we were chopping in this 6-month consolidation and it was awful. And the comment section was pretty much like how the comment section is now, right? We get a positive day in the market, regardless of what coin it is. People then come into the comment section, super happy. But then we have days like this and then people are super upset, right? And they're saying, well, no, this is the reason we're going to go down. We're never coming back. The market's over, going into a recession. I heard it all before, guys. I heard it all before. It's just that the majority of you guys don't go back to these videos and, get a bit of perspective check. Okay, so it's a bit of perspective check. Last time we were here, we added this and we said WW3 FUD at 58k. So yeah, guys, I do think the markets will recover and time does go on, right? Things do get resolved, hopefully. But something that is making me bullish about the market as well is the fact that Pump Fund is nearly dead, right? They're suspending X accounts. They're suspending devs that have been rugging all of you guys, right? So, nature's healing. Hopefully, we should be able to get some volume back into our actual utility alts. Maybe going into the next few months or so. I don't know. And a lot of you guys, you get at me for saying in the next few months. I don't know when we're going to be getting that rotation back in. I can just say that I have a big bet on the fact that we will get that rotation in. Do you want to know why? Because every single cycle there's the same people coming onto Twitter, coming onto YouTube comments, saying the same thing. They're emotional. They buy, they sell, they buy, they sell. Best thing to do is hodl. And yes, patience can be a little bit tough sometimes, guys, but patience is what pays, okay? You go back and you look at all of these success stories of people who have made it big in crypto. They haven't done it by buying Bitcoin at $10, selling at 12, and then rebuying at 400, selling at 600. They hold. They're patient. So just as a little rewind, repeat, 2024, we had Iran-Israel headlines, okay? Down here at 62k. Same thing right now at 100k, right? 100% up from where we were. And it looks like we're repeating the same pattern, a massive bullish wedge forming, guys. Now, ICPZ has had a pullback. Surprise, surprise. We're going to look into our chart in a second. But liquidation heat map on CoinGlass Legend, guys. We said around here we were building up a lot of shorts, okay? Now we've pretty much gone through all of those shorts and we're approaching a bunch of longs, right? A lot of long support all the way from $5 all the way down to $4. So quite a big range, guys. It's like a 25% range. However, this is where we should start to see the bulls recapture some control. I mean, even if we go to the 15-minute chart, which is down here, we're going to see, look, the bulls look like they want to step in and take control at a big psychological level at $5. Still massive resistance all the way up to 550, guys. So we can't be expecting anything too crazy right now. I would be expecting a lot of chop. When we check out our trading view, I mean, guys, we said this was a big resistance zone. We even marked up the resistance zone, said $6 is going to be a big resistance, right? Go back to the old ICP videos. There is a chance that we come back down to revisit this trend line, okay? Or at least come back down to revisit the wedge breakout, and that we would like to hold. And if we can hold, maybe we chop around here for a little bit. Then maybe going into July could be where we see that expansion. Again, I don't know, guys, so don't get at me in the comments saying, oh, you say 2 weeks, you say 3 weeks. We just have to wait, right? If we do start to fall back into this pattern, if we do break this yellow line, then unfortunately, it's going to be really, really ugly. A big level of support at around $4, which was in line with the CoinGlass chart. We're going to have a big level of support at this wick low. It was a previous support, guys. That's going to be $4.17. So kind of, if we even like draw up a box here, then we can say in this range here probably is where bulls should start to take charge again. Okay, so if we come all the way down and break this yellow line, this is where I'll be looking to pick up longs, maybe to pick up some spot ICP as well. But ideally, we just like to maybe hover around this support zone that we've been in for the past few days. And we're seeing the sell pressure diminish as the time does go on, guys. So remember, guys, we've got the FOMC meeting as well. So you already know whales are going to be playing their whale games. Market makers are going to be playing the market maker games. What I'm doing right now is absolutely nothing, guys. I'm just letting the market play out how it's going to play out. If we do get that $4, I will buy some more. However, I would like to see this trend line hold. So again, let's see how it goes, guys, right? We got the retracement from $6. No need to panic right now. I do think things will blow over. You look at the Bitcoin chart, and if we are mirroring global liquidity, then this dumpy time should be coming to an end pretty soon, and maybe going into end of June, beginning of July, we should start to follow the uptrend. Only time's going to tell. But that's it, guys. You let me know how you feel about the market today. Do you think all of this is going to blow over? Are you just fed up and want to get out of the market? I can tell the sentiment is in the bin right now. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments. Remember, if you found anything useful, click that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm seeing you in the next one. Peace.